Trinidad and Tobago, our twin island nation, is known for its vibrant culture and warm people. We pride ourselves on our unity and spirit. Yet, a dark shadow lurks beneath the surface, the issue of bullying. It affects our children, our families, our communities. It's a problem that demands our urgent attention. Bullying is not just kids being kids. It is a serious issue with lasting consequences. We must acknowledge its presence in our society and commit to eradicating it. The Hope Party recognizes the urgency of this issue and is dedicated to creating a brighter, safer future for all Trinbagonians. We must remember that every individual deserves to live with dignity and respect. No one should live in fear or be subjected to any form of harassment. It's time to stand together and say no more to bullying in Trinidad and Tobago. Bullying is often associated with schools, and rightly so. It is a significant problem in our education system. However, its reach extends far beyond the schoolyard. It infiltrates our homes, workplaces, social circles, and even online spaces. At home, domestic bullying can manifest as verbal abuse, intimidation, or control within families. In workplaces, it can take the form of harassment by colleagues or superiors, creating a hostile work environment. Social circles are not immune, with individuals often facing exclusion, gossip, or rumor-mongering. Cyberbullying, a particularly insidious form of bullying, uses digital platforms to target and harass individuals. The anonymity of the internet often emboldens perpetrators, leading to severe emotional distress for victims. It's clear that bullying is not confined to one demographic or setting. It is a societal problem that requires a comprehensive solution. The impact of bullying is profound and long-lasting. Victims often suffer from low self-esteem, anxiety, depression, and even suicidal thoughts. These emotional scars can affect their relationships, academic performance, and overall well-being. Beyond the individual, bullying has a corrosive effect on our society as a whole. It creates a culture of fear and silence, preventing individuals from reaching their full potential. It undermines productivity, creativity, and innovation. It's time to recognize bullying as a public health crisis. We must address not only the symptoms but also the root causes of this destructive behavior. By investing in prevention and intervention programs, we can mitigate the devastating effects of bullying and foster a more empathetic and respectful society. The Hope Party is committed to tackling the issue of bullying head-on. We believe that everyone deserves to live in a safe and respectful environment, free from fear and intimidation. Our comprehensive plan includes initiatives aimed at prevention, intervention, and support. We propose the implementation of character education programs in all schools, starting from early childhood. These programs will focus on developing empathy, respect, conflict resolution skills, and online responsibility. We will also work towards creating holistic anti-bullying programs that involve not just students, but also teachers, parents, and the wider community. We recognize the importance of addressing the emotional needs of both victims and perpetrators of bullying. Therefore, we will advocate for increased access to mental health services and support systems within schools and communities. Combating bullying is not just the responsibility of the government or schools, it requires a collective effort from every segment of society. Parents, educators, community leaders, and citizens all have a crucial role to play. Parents must foster open communication with their children, creating a safe space for them to discuss their experiences and seek help when needed. Educators need to be vigilant in identifying and addressing bullying behavior, providing support to both victims and perpetrators. Community leaders can organize workshops, awareness campaigns, and support groups to address bullying at the grassroots level. Businesses and organizations can implement anti-bullying policies in their workplaces, creating a culture of respect and inclusivity. The journey towards a bully-free Trinidad and Tobago will be challenging, but it is a journey we must undertake together. By fostering a culture of empathy, respect, and kindness, we can create a brighter future for our children and generations to come. The Hope Party calls on every citizen to join us in this fight against bullying. Let us be beacons of hope, standing up for those who are silenced, offering support to those who are hurting, and demanding accountability from those who choose to harm others. Together, we can create a Trinidad and Tobago where every individual feels safe, valued, and respected.